Tangkhuls are a major Naga ethnic group living in the Indo-Burma border and belong to the Mongoloid race. Tangkhuls were also known as headhunter. Total population of Tangkhuls is 207,000 approximately. Most of them live in Ukhrul and Kamjong district of Manipur, northeast India. There are also thousands and thousands of Tangkhuls outside of Manipur. Almost every family has at least one of their children who is staying in different places of India where they are studying or do have a job. Tangkhul tribe has hundreds of regional dialect. According to the latest research, there are approximately 380 Tangkhul villages and each village has its own dialect. Religions of Tangkhul: Christianity 99%, others 1%. Tangkhul people are the first community in Manipur to become Christian. Christianity was first brought to the Tangkhul people by Reverend William Pettigrew of Scotland in 1895. Average literacy 81.35%, male literacy 85.52%, female literacy 76.95%. Tangkhuls are well educated, smart, have good moral and now among the Manipuri tribes with the highest literacy rates. So most young Tangkhuls speak English. The earliest home of the Tangkhuls Naga was the upper reaches of Huanghe and Yangtze rivers, which lies in the Xinjiang province of China. Like the other desert areas of the world, the people including the Tangkhuls, due to hardship of life, dispersed from this place to different directions. One group moved towards east and southeast to become known as Chinese, another group moved southward to become the tribes of Tibeto-Burman, which includes the Tangkhuls. That was between 10,000 BC to 8,000 BC. Thus, the Tangkhuls Naga tribes have traveled from China to Myanmar and from there finally they came into their present land. Tangkhuls are fond of singing, dancing and festivities. Most of the songs are soft and melodious. Their religious and romantic nature also expressed in their songs and music. There were varieties of songs, some were mood special, and some were festival and seasonal specials. These folk songs and folklores can be taught and sang by anybody. It can be played with musical instruments such as violin, trumpet, drum, woman's mouthpiece, flute, bamboo pipe, etc. There are some special occasional dances which are still practicing, like the Lakana Nui, Virgin Dance during Luira Festival, Luangainik, Raifichuk, War Dance, etc. Tangkhuls are fair in complexion and colorful in terms of their traditional wares. Tangkhuls were attractive and good-looking. They have great sense of dressing. Tangkhuls are an egalitarian society. There is no caste or classes in the society. Every person is equal in the society and the society follows patriarchal system. Culturally, the Tangkhuls share close affinities with Metis community in many ways. The life and art of the Tangkhuls are attractive and captivating. Their different clothing, utensils, architecture, monumental erections and the memorial setups depict their dexterity in art, which also speak their sense of beauty and fitnesses. Tangkhuls are the village-loving people. Right from the beginning, every Tangkhul village had been a well-organized and independent political unit. Within its territory, Every village enjoyed both internal as well as external independence of its own. The villages were guided by their customary and traditional laws. Most of the Tangkhul village sites were located near the spring or stream to ensure them dependable supply of drinking water. Villages were generally ruled by the king, headman, with the support of the village council. As such, their administration was indigenous and independent. Every Tangkhul villages had a strong defense system of their own in order to protect themselves from any external forces. Most of the Tangkhul villages were very strong and big in the past.